Hi friends, artificial hair dyes contain toxic chemicals that can cause side effects like skin disease, respiratory diseases, increased grey hair, hair fall and dry hair. So avoid using chemical hair dyes as much as possible. In this video, we will look at one simple herbal mix that nourishes hair roots, increases melanin in hair and restores hair natural color. Besides, it also works like a mild hair dye. For this we need Bhringraj powder. Bhringraj is an Ayurvedic herb that can reverse grey hair and prevent premature graying of hair. Hibiscus powder. Hibiscus brings back natural hair shine, smoothness and restores hair natural dark color. Amla or Indian Gooseberry powder. Amla is really magical as it works like a mild dye plus activates melanin production in the hair follicles. This contributes to darkening of hair in the long term. Dark roast coffee. We need dark roast coffee to give that black color to the hair shafts. This works like a temporary hair dye that can last up to 2 weeks. You can take dark roast or extra dark roast for more black color. Take a steel or ceramic saucepan, add 1.5 cups of water and bring it to boil. To this add 1 tablespoon of dark roast coffee. Continue boiling for 5 more minutes. Now switch off the stove. Take a cast iron pan as shown here. You can also use steel pan, but iron one is better for this purpose. Add 1 tablespoon of Bhringraj powder. Toss in 1 tablespoon of hibiscus powder and also add 1 tablespoon of amla powder. You can add equal quantities, little bit more if you need more quantity. While coffee decoction is still hot, filter it using a strainer and add it to these powders. The coffee decoction we used is a dark roast coffee which gives a nice dark color. Mix the contents very well slowly to form a smooth paste. If you think it is too thick, you can add more coffee decoction. If you think it is too much liquid, add equal amounts of the powder to get a desired consistency. Cover it with the lid and leave it like that for overnight or for a minimum of 4 hours. I am opening the lid after leaving it for overnight. Apply this hair pack all over the scalp and hair covering grey hairs. Leave it on the hair for 1 hour and wash it away. You need not shampoo for this, just rinsing with water is enough. But if you still want to shampoo, you can use a mild shampoo. Well, it might take 2 or 3 uses to start noticing the dark color. Do it regularly, at least once a week to maintain and restore dark hair color.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.